How's it going, everybody? Connor here, and in today's tutorial we're going to be going over how to change multiple received items using the bulk change function. So as you can see, we have multiple E6410s that have already been received into the bulk insert feature, and then at the bottom we have a couple different items that are in a different category. Now, almost all of the time when you're using the bulk insert feature, you're going to have to be using it on a bunch of items that are in the same category. So several laptops, then you can change laptop CPU speed. Several hard drives, then you can change hard drive gigabytes or whatever you would like to do. But there is some situations where you'll be able to do it across a couple different items in two different categories. So let's start off with that. If we select this 3 terabyte hard drive in this Latitude E6410, and then we go up here and select bulk change. It will then open up the bulk change attribute update, and you will be able to change these few basic minor ones, such as notes and location. So you could change the location on those two items, even though they're different, or you could add notes such as came off of that one pallet that we found, or whatever you would like to do right from here. Afterwards, you would hit accept, and then both of those two different categories would have that same note. But under most situations, you would be changing things of the same category. So let's check a bunch of these E6410s. Maybe we realize that a couple of the serial numbers had different RAM than regular. So we're going to select this one, this one, this one, and this one. Then we're going to go and select bulk change. And we're going to have to select laptops from the drop-down menu here. So alphabetically, there's laptops, and you'll see here's all of the different things that would matter in a laptop. So we're going to change memory from, I believe it's 4 gigabytes. We'll drop it down to 2 gigabytes. Select that there. And maybe the hard drive is actually a 160 in these ones and not a 320 like it originally was. So those two things will be changed and nothing else will be changed. You can add a CPU type to ones that there aren't, rename them, or remove all of the CPU types from all of those items from this screen as well. So if there was, let's say a bunch of them had no DVD drive as a defect, you could select all of them, hover over defect, and hit remove if you guys got a bunch of DVD drives and installed them in those laptops. Very easy way to fix that. So we'll hit accept here. It then updates all of those, and you'll be able to see that when we go in, it then has 2 gigabytes of RAM, 160 gigabyte hard drive, as opposed to its brother, which has 4 gigabytes of RAM and 320 gigabyte hard drive. Pretty simple way to get a lot done really quick.